difference between energizing water and give information to water. Information means to bring in form. Here I have soap bubble water, and here a triangle. So I put it in, and you would guess that here you have bubble. But if I put it in and take it out, we have this.
What? How did you do that?
I didn't do that, water did it. And if you look closely, you see that the water moves and moves and moves, but the edges straight, they don't move.
That's a rainbow a little bit.
Yeah, of course, then it will soon become. And here, you see. So next is, let's see what happens now.
Beautiful. It's just soap water.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Or very simple. Straight and curve, like a spiral. Easy to work on a computer, but this curve is very difficult to compute.
Beautiful.
And there is another example.
Amazing.
It's a Gothic structure.
Yes. So beautiful.
So, and I only brought water into form. Informed water. So, and now for you, a little crystal.
And then that made these ones down there also.
And it's symmetrical.
It's amazing.
These were bubbles I caught. I could collect more.
Wonderful. So you just have to give shape to the water, actually.
Yeah. Shape of water, right.
I don't know why, but it makes me so happy to see that. It just makes me feel good.
To give credit, these are experiments of the so-called Experimentierwerkstatt in Vienna. So it's not Victor Schauberger.
But it's beautiful. Thank you very much.
So we see from very simple forms, we get a very complex, maybe living creature. And we can look at things in different ways. You told me looking towards a waterfall or having the waterfall on your back.
Yeah.
So a simple thing for you, just walk up a river or a creek and look at the water. And then take the same path down the river. And you will experience a totally different water.
Rumble brown and whispering, dry leaves are leaving silently, accepting folly, destiny, drifting far away from home. Leaves are left in unknown places, peaceful, resting winter faces, warming us that seeds can sing, healthy voices into spring.
We see here in these rooms egg shapes, we see hyperbolic funnels, but where does this all come from? This was shown to my father by a musician, Alexander Truslit, and he made my father Walther familiar with the so-called monochord, an instrument Pythagoras used. His pupils, his students should listen to music, listen to relations in music, in frequencies, and then, for example, build a temple. And why are Greek temples so beautiful? Because they sound, the length, the height, the width, it's related to each other. And the old Greeks already had the expression of the harmonic sequel. The harmonic sequel is 1, a half, a third, a quart, a quint, etc., etc. And this can be shown on the so-called monochord. We have strings with the same tone, same frequency. And if we take only half of the string, then we get double the frequency.
Yeah.
Half of the string, double the frequency. 440 Hertz, 880 Hertz. So and if we take half of a half is a quart, we have the next octave, and the eighth. So, and this curve with different relations, a half, a third, a quart, etc., shows a hyperbola. To show here, if it comes step 1 from 0 to 1, the length of the string is 1. Step 1 to 2, let's say frequency, we double the frequency, we only have half of the string. 3 times the frequency, only a third, a fourth, etc., etc., etc. And if we look here on the ceiling, we do have the first golden ring, maybe 1 meter, the next one is half a meter, third, quart, quint, sixth, seventh, eighth. So this is formed in a hyperbola, and this we use for our treatment of water.
That's the one over there?
This is the very same formula.
So we got the music in the end.
Right. We harmonize the water.
Aquarius creates a consciousness of carrying water with care in order to regain a balance of humanity, nature, and air. Aquarius creates a consciousness of carrying water with care in order to regain a balance of humanity, nature, and air. Bless the eternal water.
Bless the eternal water.
'Cause my water is your water is my water.